on how I'm keeping my skin in its top form for as long as possible. At home, using science-backed methods. Not only at home, but non-invasive, and I may be ditching my Botox. Lisa D. Liguori with Simple Beauty Minerals. Let's start with LED, light therapy, or red light therapy, which stands for light emitting diodes. Red light therapy has a lot of studies behind it, and it's been being studied for years. And now we have devices that we can use at home, non-invasive, pain-free, to give us some of the benefits of what has been known for a long time. It naturally stimulates collagen to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. It helps to improve skin texture. It gives us a plump, youthful appearance. Light therapy will help even improve acne when you use the blue light. And back to red light therapy, which is really what I'm focusing on today. It also improves wound healing and hair loss. Did I say hair loss? Now, there's different ways to use red light therapy. Red light at home. One is a mask. This happens to be the one that I've been using. There are many on the market. I will make sure you have the link for this, but find out which one you like the best. I'm liking this because it not only has red light, but it has microcurrent as well, the ability, which I haven't tested out yet. We will get there. And the light stim. This is a handheld device. I use this almost daily, but multiple times a week. And I love it. So easy. Let's have a little bit of medical science on red light therapy. Ooh, of all the lights, red light travels the furthest in your skin. It enters the skin layers to release nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for overall health, and that increases blood flow and improves your circulation. It supports cellular function and ATP energy production. I'll put links to the studies below. There's so much to this, but all of this leads to reduced inflammation and collagen production. We like that, which creates more youthful, fuller, smoother, more glowy skin for longer. All this at home with your light stim, no pain, no heat, no burning, and you're at home watching Netflix, drinking your tea. Okay, so that's what I do while you're using your light stim and getting your red light therapy. Also, it's safe for all skin tones, and there are no ultraviolet rays, so no damage to the skin. Now, here's the thing. You can do this in clinic. You can go to your clinic, your doctor's office, and you can have this done there, easy peasy. It takes time. You got to make the commitment to go regularly, and it costs a good few dollars. It's not cheap. However, once you buy your light stim or whichever device you want to use for red light therapy, you have it, and then it just takes a time commitment. Like anything, if you don't work it, it won't work. Now, let's do our eyes. This is the Nira, N-I-R-A, non-fractional precision laser. By the way, non-fractional means non-ablative, no burning, no downtime, and maybe no more Botox. This also reduces fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, and it is FDA cleared for the eye area. By the way, the light stim is also FDA cleared. It builds collagen in the skin naturally to rebuild elasticity. Ooh, and that noise? Okay, that's a good noise. Let's see if I can get the error noise. That means no go. And it is the perfect complement to the light stim. Perfect for the eyes, perfect for everything else. It helps tighten the skin, even the skin tone, lifts hooded eyes, brightens dark spots, and improves acne scarring. So, side note, see, you can use it elsewhere, not just around the eyes. Nira, near infrared. It's non-fractional, non-ablative, won't hurt the surface of your skin. Laser. It produces local heat, but it is not going to injure the surface of your skin. That said, let me show you. If you hit on the same spot twice in a row, you will feel a little heat, and it's like a little zap of heat, and you just lift off the laser. It's no big deal. It penetrates approximately 3 inches. So it heats the tissues inside, which leads to the ability to fight infection and promote healing. It also causes the release of nitric oxide, improved blood flow and circulation, stimulates ATP, which improves cell function. Now touch on facial fascia work. Facial fascia blasting. I do this daily as well, and I am going to go more into each one of these devices and therapies in future videos, but I just want to introduce them all to you right now. Facial fascia blasting or work or therapy also brings blood flow to the face. Are you getting a trend here? Blood flow carries oxygen and nutrients to the working cells and also carries away free radicals that causes oxidative stress and weakens the living cells. You can help sculpt your face, boost collagen production, another trend, catching that? Your skin will just have an ongoing glow. I am going to dive much deeper into this later. As I mentioned, I am going to be diving much deeper into these therapies, how you can incorporate them into your regular routine, into your lifestyle, how you incorporate your regular skincare routine in with everything. And there'll be more devices that I'm going to share, and you get to pick and choose what works for you. And we'll talk more about that. I'm going to put a couple of links below as well for some of our podcast episodes that had to do with these topics. So if you like this and you want more, Living Visibly Over 50, several episodes that cover some of these therapies and more in depth. And I'll be coming back with more. So stay tuned.